Hello everyone, this is Life Micro Skills. Today's knot article introduces you to a set of dog knot. Hanging around the dog's neck is not afraid of being tightened by force. It is very practical in life. Let's take a look at its playing style. First, I cross the ropes to form a loop of ropes. Then fold the loop on the right for a while. Ooh, the loop. Then tighten the rope on the left. And it all forms a rope loop. This rope loop can be adjusted in size. If we put it around a dog's neck or a pet's neck, you can adjust its size. I can actually pull this end out. There is another way of doing it. The rope is first tied with a single knot. Leave out the neck size of our pet. You're going to put this piece of rope through this single knot. Then tie in the knot. First of all, if the dog's neck is adjusted, the end of the rope makes a fixed knot on the main rope. The knot is ready. This knot is very strong for wrapping around the dog's neck. We didn't keep a live buckle, so even if this pet bites the end of the rope, the knot will not open. This loop is it doesn't get any smaller. It doesn't tighten the dog's neck very much. This knot is simple and strong. If you have a dog at home, you can try this knot. Very simple and easy to use. Have you learned this set of bone? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like it and follow it. See you next time. Bye.